joining me today. We're going to be making turkey breakfast sausage patties. They're not just for breakfast, but I do like to make my own paleo version of a sausage, egg and cheese breakfast sandwich with them, and that is my next video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and you'll be notified when that video is out. In the meanwhile, we're going to make these. We're just going to concentrate on making these today. Long time ago, before paleo, I used to make a turkey, egg and cheese breakfast sandwich, and I used to do my version of healthy at the time, which was a whole wheat English muffin, etc., etc. These days it's completely 100% paleo compliant, from the bun to the cheese to everything that makes up this whole sandwich. So I can't wait to show you that on the next video. Let's get on with making these patties. And what we're going to do is we don't have to get our hands messy again, because you pretty much take a dessert spoonful and we're going to pop it in and then flatten it down with the spatula. The oil is starting to melt now and we're nearly ready to put the first one in. Okay, so just throw one down and then flatten it with the back of your spoon, make it a little bit neater, a little bit more rounded, and keep on doing that with all of them until all your meat is into the pan. Try and get them as uniform as you can so that they're all going to be roughly the same size. Beautiful, look at that. I love cast iron. Once they start to cook, they shrink that bit and then you can get the rest of it in. So with a pound of ground turkey, you can pretty much do 1 poundful. Okay, we can turn them over now and flatten them a little bit. As you manage to take some out, you can start to do that with all of them. Okay, so as you turn them over, flatten, and they get that bit more circular as well. I mean, we don't care if they're a little bit rough around the edges. It's the taste that counts. And also they're going to go into this fabulous breakfast sausage, which is going to be my next video. So the patties are going to actually cook on 5, which is medium heat, for about 10 minutes, and then what I like to do is finish them off under the broiler. Looking good. They're not ready yet, obviously, but we're only about halfway through the cooking. So there we are. That's looking really lovely. Okay, those look really gorgeous, and they have been on for 10 minutes now. I'm going to finish them off in the broiler. You know what I love about cast iron? Well, in addition to the many other things that I love, is that it can go straight from stovetop into the broiler, into the oven, and that's what we're doing with it now. And there we are. Okay, let's turn these over. Okay, those look really gorgeous. Thanks for your company. Hope you enjoy making these, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and you'll get notified of my next video, which is actually going to be a paleo compliant sausage and egg breakfast sandwich featuring, of course, the sausage patties. So I look forward to seeing you next time, and please do give me a like and pass it on if you like what you've seen to your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.
If you like this video, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe.